So guys, this is Scentleaf tree. So I'm here to pluck some Scentleaf. Yeah, so this is Scentleaf tree. As you can see it. For those that do not recognize Scentleaf, so this is the video. This is the image of Scentleaf. So yeah. So we have gotten some Scentleafs, fresh Scentleafs, and then this is our mortar. This is our mortar. So this particular spiritual work is mainly for people that have businesses that they are doing. This is a sales booster spiritual work. Yes, this particular soap is to boost sales. If you have anything that you're doing, even if it is online business, even if you don't have shop, so long you have a business that you are doing, if you do not have any business that you are doing, don't bother to do this work because it's not going to work for you. But if you have a shop or you have a business, anything that you know that is bringing money for you, you have something that is bringing money for you, then you want to try this out. If you know that maybe you feel that you're not making sales, that there's no sales in your business, be it in your shop or your online business, you're not making sales, just go and get Scentleaf. Get fresh Scentleafs like this. You saw me when I was plugging the scent. That was why I make a live video of when I was plugging the Scentleaf, so that you'll be able to see it, that I plugged fresh Scentleaf. So you're going to be getting fresh Scentleafs because you're going to be needing the Scentleaf that you plug on that very day for this particular spiritual work to make it to be very, very effective. And you're going to be needing this kafura pelebe. This is kafura pelebe. Make sure you're getting the original one. So you'll be needing kafura pelebe for this spiritual work as well. Then you're going to be needing bintu suldan perfume. This particular spiritual work, you are not going to be adding any water. Do not add any water to it. Then you're going to be needing our soap. You can use any soap that you have. Yes, you can use any soap that you have. So you go ahead and pound the Scentleaf. Go ahead and pound the Scentleaf. So now we are done pounding the Scentleaf. You can see it now. You saw that when I was plugging the Scentleaf, I didn't plug the ones that have hole. You can see me skipping those places that have hole. So when you want to plug your Scentleaf, do not plug the one that have hole. Don't plug Scentleaf that have hole. Plug the ones that does not have any hole. Then you go ahead and add your kafura pelebe. So the kafura pelebe, I'm going to be using half of it, which is 4 pieces. This will be 8 inside, so I'm adding 4. That is half of it. Then you go ahead and pound it as well. Go ahead and pound it. Please remember that we are not adding water to this. You're not going to add any water to it. So you go ahead and add your bintu suldan oil. So add your bintu suldan oil. So you see it. You add. So after adding your bintu suldan oil, you mix it properly. You mix it very well. Then you go ahead and add your soap. So you go ahead and add your soap to your mixture. So once you have added the soap, you pound everything together very well. So now our soap is ready. Our soap is fully ready now. So this is our soap. Hmm? Do not add water. Hmm? So when you are done making this soup, you go ahead and scoop it into a white plate, a white container. Keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, you can start using it to bake. Bake it early in the morning before sun comes out. So you can bake it around 6 in the morning, 5:30. Just make sure that you use this soap to have your bath before sun comes out. You will see how you start having massive sales now in your business. Yes, you start seeing changes in your business. Do not use this soap when you are on your period. When you are on your period, do not use this soap. Anybody can use this soap. Man can use it, woman can use it. Use it and come back with your testimony. Even now that we are on a fasting period, you can use it. It's very, very effective. There's no time that you cannot use this soap. These are natural remedies that God has given to us. These are all natural remedies. Scentleaf, we eat scentleaf. Kafura, pelebe is something that is very, very popular. We eat it also. Bintu, suldan is very popular. People use it. So there is not something that is difficult to find. All these are easy for you to see. You can quickly find this around you, very, very easy. So go ahead and try out this soap. You can do a large quantity. I did this small quantity. Because I just want to make this video for you. Yes, I don't want to make this video for you so that you also can go and try this out. You can see how the soap is. Yeah, you can see how it is. So yes, you can make a big amount of it. So I just want to make this small quantity to make this video for you. Go and try this soap out and come back with your testimony. You're not going to regret it. Yes, you will not regret it. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and to your family. Yes, because there are people out there that also need to hear or to see this video. So share it to them, so it can also encourage me to bring more of natural things that we can use to help ourselves. Then also ensure to always cleanse yourself at all times, so that spiritual work will be able to work for you very well. Please ensure that you do cleansing often. Yes, it helps your spiritual product to be much more effective for you. It helps your spiritual product to be more effective when you have cleansed yourself. Yes, so thank you all so much, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.